A new excavator, bought by the boss, arrived at the site recently. Simple maintenance like changing oil pipes and fixing leaks. Just doing some maintenance. Also, let's improve its performance while we're at it. This vehicle has some age on it, including the hydraulic pump and the shutoff valve. Look, many oil pipes here are wet. Both conduits are straight. It's estimated that the hydraulic oil may overheat. So we also need to inspect these two waste oil pipes. Let's remove the fat oil valve and inspect it since it's already been disassembled. Well, after checking, it looks fine. The return oil valve itself is very durable with few faults. It's just this small nut, pushed out a little. Just tighten it slightly inward. Why tighten it slightly inward? Since the return oil valve is in place, it safeguards the hydraulic oil radiator, especially when the oil temperature is low in winter. If the pressure is too high, the radiator can't handle it. In this situation, we just need to remove the hydraulic oil cooler and wash it well. Plug air leaks on both sides with sponge. After all, it's just spending a little money. To lower the oil temperature by reducing a few barrels of hydraulic oil. Then everything will be fine. There are likely 4 main reasons for the hydraulic oil overheating, so we'll address them at the lowest cost. Then we need to relieve pressure from the hydraulic pump. Since it's an old car, let's just remove a little. As long as you can work normally. That will do.